intro today. So hello from the future. I'm currently at the Blue Lagoon. We're gonna backtrack a little bit before I got on the boat, and then we'll eventually end up here. Island, where St. Paul was said to have been shipwrecked. At one point, I heard he was bit by a snake. To be honest, the audio on this boat's not great, but so far that's all I've heard. Probably guessed it's famous for its beautiful blue water. Okay, so I just saw the sign 7:45, be back on the boat, but it also says something about don't bring pineapples. Now I really want to know what these pineapples are. I'm assuming it's not like a regular pineapple, unless maybe somebody's allergic, but I doubt that's the case. I feel like it's going to be like a really good drink or something. Out the pineapple mystery. I just spotted a truck up above here that looks like it's selling cocktails inside pineapples. Oh, obviously we're gonna have to try one. Okay, so here's what you need to know about the pineapple. €10 alcoholic, €8 non-alcoholic, refill in the same pineapple, half price. So now I need to see if I have enough cash. So I got my pineapple. It's a Paloma. It's a little tart, but it's good. And it's in a cute little pineapple. Now we're just gonna go find a good spot to watch the sunset.
It's a feeling that I can't find.
Overall, I would highly recommend the sunset cruise. It's been so nice. I can see where reviewers were saying it's like to be here for 4 hours instead of 2, and during the day it's too hot. Especially like now in September when it's like 80 to 90 degrees. Definitely do the sunset. It's also just really beautiful here at sunset. So bonus. And no thanks. I don't need any other drinks, and we already know pineapples are not allowed on the boat. Okay. Here's what you need to know. Bring comfortable shoes, bring a towel, maybe a little bit of bug repellent, bring like maybe like a longer sleeve shirt to put on like for the boat ride back. Oh, cocktail guys, bring cash. If you want to buy anything here, bring cash. They don't take cards. Basically, that's everything you need to know. So with that, I'm going to sign off for the night, and I will see you tomorrow for our last day in Malta.